look over the edge. I had a protective screen on here for the rain, but I never saw any rain, but it sure wanted to hit me. I would like to jump in that water right now with what I'm dressed in. I'm so hot. Yeah. Racing pants, long sleeve shirt. Although it's better than getting burned. Crossed over. We're now in Wyoming, and terrain has definitely changed. It's pretty and it's hilly and it's noisy with the train behind me. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to make a video here. Quote, end quote. Just saying. Yeah. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you where I was at. So yeah, we're just entering Wyoming. I have to go all the way across Wyoming, the whole thing. So we're going to be here overnight for sure in the same state. But today I will have hit 3 states is what I did. Utah was pretty tiny. But I am exhausted today, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going, guys. Sorry about my family. Yeah, I'm going to keep going. Trike is holding up awesome. Trike has just been nothing but amazing. That's the Trike right there. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in a bit after this.